Yes, hello ladies and gentlemen. This video will help you with your FSA review packet, and this will be problem 3 of week 1, day 3. So this says, what is the value of the expression? This is another one that helps us with our order of operations. So we look for our order of operations. We know, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or PIMDAS, however you guys like to think about it. But we know we need to start with parentheses, which we have no parentheses here. Next we will go into exponents, which we have no exponents here. Okay, and then we go to multiplication from left to right. So we see that we have a multiplication here, 8 times 4. 8 times 4 will give us 32. Okay. And everything else needs to come down. We have a subtraction, but now we have this expression here, which is 8 times a fraction of 24 over negative 6. So I would know that I can take this 8 and I can put it over a 1 and make it like a fraction and multiply by 24 over negative 6. That way I can use cross-canceling to reduce the size of these fractions. So I know a common factor of 8 and 6, or the greatest common factor of 8 and 6 would be 2. So I could divide 8 by 2 and change this to a 4, and negative 6 by 2 and change this to a negative 3. So now I can rewrite this as 32 minus 4 over 1 times 24 over a negative 3. Okay, and then I can look at this fraction here and know that 3 will actually go into 24. 3 will go into 24 8 times. So I can use division and get this to go down. So I can take 32, and then 1 will go into 4 times. 3 or negative 3 will go into 24. A negative 8 times. Okay, now we're almost there. We just got a couple more operations. We still got to use order of operations, so our multiplication needs to come first. Okay, so here we have 4 times a negative 8. So 4 times negative 8, like I said, I always like to do my negative signs first, or my signs first, so I don't get them wrong. A negative and a negative is a positive. Okay, 4 times 8, just like up here, will give me 32. And now I have everything else to write down, and we get 32 plus 32. And 32 plus 32 will give me 64. So we can take this expression up here, and after it's evaluated using our order of operations, we will end up with 64. So I hope that video helps. Stay tuned for more.